Connect Plus for Kindergarten 1.
Hi everyone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Listen and find.
What can you see in the picture?
I can see a shirt.
I can see a skirt.
I can see pants.
I can see a jacket.
I can see shorts.
I can see a pair of shoes.
Let's go shopping. 1. Look and number. 1. Pants. 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 2. Jacket. 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 3. Shoes. 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 4. Shorts. 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 5. Skirt. Skirt. Skirt.
Listen, look, and say. 1,
Cap.
2,
Shorts.
3,
T-shirt.
4,
Sweater.
5,
Skirt.
6.
Jacket.
1. Look and trace. 1. Cap. 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 2. Jacket. 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 3. T-shirt. 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 4. Sweater. 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 5. Shorts. 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 6. Skirt. Skirt. Skirt.
2. Sing and do.
Let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. Put on your cap. Hooray! Let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. Put on your jacket. Hooray! Let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. Put on your sweater. Hooray!
Let's get dressed. 1. Read and complete. 1. Fada can put on his cap. Fada can put on his cap. 2. Farida can put on her jacket. Farida can put on her jacket. 3. Mazin can put on his t-shirt. Mazin can put on his t-shirt.
Exercise 1. Listen, read, and complete. 1,
For sports, I wear a cap and a t-shirt.
2,
At night, Eunice wears pajamas.
3,
At school, Malika and Salim wear a school uniform.
4,
In the kitchen, Malik wears an apron.
1. Read and complete. 1. I wear pajamas to bed. I wear pajamas to bed. 2. Nancy wears school uniform to school. Nancy wears school uniform to school. 3. Sheriff wears shorts and a cap for sport. Sheriff wears shorts and a cap for sport. 4. Nada and Nader wear a uniform to school. Nada and Nader wear a uniform to school.
1. Look, listen, and say.
I buy toothpaste from the pharmacy. I buy a skirt from the clothes store. I buy a teddy bear from the toy store. I buy fruit from the supermarket.
1. Look, listen, and say.
I buy toothpaste from the pharmacy. I buy a skirt from the clothes store. I buy a teddy bear from the toy store. I buy fruit from the supermarket.
1. Look and match. 1. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Pharmacy. 2. Toys. Toys. Toy shop. 3. Clothes. Clothes. Clothes store. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Supermarket. Wants and needs. 1. Read and complete. Jacket. Jacket. Water. Water. Lollipop. Lollipop. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. 1. I am hungry. I need food. I am hungry. I need food. 2. Let's play. I want a teddy bear. Let's play. I want a teddy bear. 3. I'm thirsty. I need water. I'm thirsty. I need water. 4. I'm cold. I need a jacket. I'm cold. I need a jacket. 5. It looks yummy. I want a lollipop. It looks yummy. I want a lollipop.
Listen, then read.
This is a supermarket. It sells meat, clothes, fruits, and vegetables. A supermarket needs a butcher. A butcher cuts meat. A supermarket needs a carpenter. A carpenter makes shelves. A supermarket needs a seamstress. A seamstress makes clothes.
Student's Book, Unit 6, page 27, Exercise 2. Listen and sing.
I'm a butcher, please help me. I need an apron, can you help me?
I'm a seamstress, I can help you. Here's an apron, not one but two. Now I'm hungry, I need to eat. Butcher, please, I want some meat. Meat for you, meat for me. We're as happy as we can be.
Listen and underline words that rhyme with eat.
Me. Meat. Feet. 2.
Listen and repeat.
Everyone listen, listen to me. Listen and repeat, repeat after me.
Cup, 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 cup. Cap, cap.
Everyone listen, listen to me. Listen and repeat, repeat after me.
J, 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 j. Jacket, jacket.
Listen, then read.
The weather is cold in winter. I need a jacket. The weather is hot in summer. I need to drink lots of water.
One. It's summer. What do you need? Look and circle. 1. I need a t-shirt. I need a t-shirt. 2. I need a cap. I need a cap. 3. I need sandals. I need sandals. 4. I need shorts. I need shorts.
Listen, read, and point. 1.
I have £1. I'll save it. Let's buy a present for Mommy.
2.
I have £5. I have £3.
3.
Bzzz. Let's buy some flowers.
Mommy loves flowers.
4.
How much are these flowers?
Look. Bzzz. They're £10.
5.
£5 and £3. That's £8. Oh no! We need £2. What should we do?
6.
Let's buy these yellow flowers.
Bzzz. Mommy will be very happy. Bzzz.
Yes, yellow is Mommy's favorite color.
Listen, cut, and stick. 1.
I have £1. I'll save it. Let's buy a present for Mommy.
2.
I have £5. I have £3.
3.
Bzzz. Let's buy some flowers.
Mommy loves flowers.
4.
How much are these flowers?
Look! Bzzz! They're 10 pounds.
5.
5 pounds and 3 pounds. That's 8 pounds. Oh no! We need 2 pounds. What should we do?
6.
Let's buy these yellow flowers.
Bzzz! Mommy will be very happy. Bzzz!
Yes, yellow is Mommy's favorite color.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi everyone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.